Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you delete your Temu account permanently in two different methods. So if the first method doesn't work for some reason, you can always use the second one. Let's jump right into it. First, you open your Play Store or App Store. Make sure you have the Temu app updated to the latest version for everything to run smoothly. After that, we quit the store, and now of course let's open Temu. And of course you have to be logged into your Temu account from here. Once you have that done, you can tap on the person icon in the bottom of the screen. It's going to take you to this page. Now from here we need to go to settings. So tap on the gear icon that should be in the top right corner of the screen. In settings we need to go to account security. So to do that, you find those four green options in the top of the screen. Tap on the one in the left top corner. That one right there. You find some of your personal information here. Just tap on delete your Temu account, which should be the last option in this screen. It's gonna take you to this page where you might want to read through these information, especially the two orange ones at the bottom. These are going to concern your data and your orders that you might have done and that you might haven't received yet, and even the coupons that you have. Anyways, once you read through everything, tap on that tick right there or check mark right there, and then tap on continue, and that's the official way on how can you delete your account. If you can't do it from here for some reason, tap on that little headset button in the top right. It's going to take you to this support page. Scroll down and tap on contact us. So if the first method doesn't work, this is the second method. Just go ahead and text their team that you want to delete or permanently delete your Temu account. Tap on send, and then wait for the chat right here to process your order, and you can continue from there to delete your Temu account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.